Have you ever scrolled through Instagram, saw an ad for sneakers, clicked it, and before you know it, you are wearing those sneakers the next week? Yeah, that's not an accident. That's the magic of paid advertising, also called PPC. And today I am going to break it down for you in a way that's super simple with stories, real life examples, and maybe a few bad jokes along the way. So stick around. Before that, if you want to watch this series fully in order, then click the podcast in the above cards. So let's imagine you own a small coffee shop. You put a signboard outside that says best cappuccino in town, only for $2. People walking by see it and some stop to buy coffee. That's like organic marketing. You put up content and wait for people to discover it. But what if you could place that signboard in front of people anywhere in the city who already love coffee? Boom. And that's paid marketing. You pay a small amount and suddenly your signboard, or in this case, your ad, appears exactly where your ideal customers is hanging out online. So the first thing we are gonna see is what is PPC. PPC stands for pay per click. You only pay when someone actually clicks your ad. It's like ordering pizza. You don't pay until it's delivered. Unless you have that one shady cousin who eats off before arriving. Well, we have all got one, right? The next we are gonna see is types of paid ads. Now, paid advertising isn't just one thing. It comes in many flavors, just like ice cream. Let's go through the main ones. First one, such as when you type best laptop under $1,000 on Google, those top results that say sponsored, that's a search ads. Businesses pay to show up at the exact moment you are searching. Second one, social media ads. Scrolling through Instagram, suddenly boom, an ad for that cool gadget you just whispered about near your phone. Creepy, right? Maybe effective for marketers. Third one, display ads. These are the banners you see on website. Sometimes annoying, sometimes useful. It's like those flyers stuck on your car windshield. Fourth one, YouTube ads. You know those skip in 5-second ads before a video. That's YouTube advertising. If done right, it can actually queue before you hit skip. If done wrong, well, you skip faster than your ex replying to text. Here's a funny one. Let's say you look up pepperoni pizza near me and you visit a pizza website, but you don't order. Next thing you know, you are scrolling Facebook and wham, the exact same pizza ad is following you everywhere. That's called retargeting. It's basically the internet saying, hey buddy, you forgot your pizza. Don't make us send it to your house by force. And honestly, it works. Retargeting ads converge like crazy because they remind you of what you already wanted. The next thing we are gonna see is why paid ads work. Here's the secret sauce. Paid ads buy you speed. Organic marketing like SEO or social media takes time. For paid ads, they are like hitting the turbo button in Mario Kart. You get traffic, leads, and sales almost instantly. But this is important. If you don't know what you are doing, you will burn money faster than a popcorn in a microwave. I know a local bakery that spent $300 on Facebook ads promoting their new chocolate cake. Within 1 week, they sold out completely. Why? Because instead of posting, hey, we have a cake on their Facebook page, they targeted people who already loved desserts in their area. Simple, smart, and effective. At last, we are gonna see some tips for beginners. Alright, if you are new to paid marketing, here are 3 golden rules. First one, start small. Don't go all in with your life savings. Test with $5 or $10 a day. Second one, target the right audience. Ads aren't about reaching everyone. They are about reaching the right ones. Third one, track everything. Use tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel to see if your money is working. Because let's be honest, if you are spending money on ads without tracking, that's like throwing a party and not checking if anyone showed up. So, to wrap this up, paid marketing is like dating apps. You pay to get in front of people faster. But if your profile, or in this case your ad and landing page, sucks, you are not getting any swipes. Learn it, practice it, and you will see how powerful it can be for your businesses or career as a digital marketer. Now tell me in the comments what the weirdest ad you have ever been showed online. For me, it was an ad for Aplaka socks. I don't even know what an Aplaka is doing in my feed. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more digital marketing tips. And I will see you in the next episode of this masterclass.